Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey, and in this video we're going to use the camera system we created previously and add the functionality to zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. Let's get started. So we previously created our camera system and made it very easy to move and zoom around a position. Now in here I have the scene from the previous video where we implemented mouse edge scrolling. I can move the camera with the keyboard and by moving the mouse to the edges of the screen. Okay, let's go into our code here, and in here we set up our camera follow position and we set a fixed value for our zoom. Let's change that for a variable. So go up here and make a private float zoom, and that's what we're going to send to our camera follow system. Now let's first start off by cleaning up our code here and put movement and edge scrolling to their own functions. So copy all this and create something called handle manual movement. Go down here, private void handle manual movement, and we're going to paste this code, and private void handle edge scrolling, and we're going to copy this code. Okay, our code is much more clean right now, so let's set up a private void handle zoom, and we're going to call this in here. So let's start off by modifying our zoom with keyboard buttons. So in here, if input.getKey of keycode.keypad plus. So in here, we're going to reduce our zoom. The zoom is our orthographic size, so the lower the size, the more you are zoomed in, the bigger the size, the more you are zoomed out. So in order to zoom in, let's reduce it by a zoom change amount times time dot delta time. And let's set our zoom change amount in here. And we're going to set it to, let's say, 80 per second. And copy paste the same thing for the keypad minus, except we're going to increase. Okay, let's see if we can now handle our zoom using the keyboard. First of all, let's set our default value so we don't immediately zoom into 0. So let's set the default to 80 and give it a shot. Okay, so it is automatically going towards 80, and when I press the keypad plus, it zooms in, keypad minus, and it zooms out. Okay, great. Now in here, let's validate our zoom values. So let's do zoom equals mathf.clamp, and we're going to clamp our zoom between, let's say, 40f and 250f. So we don't zoom too much in or too much out. Okay, let's see if we are within valid values. So I can zoom in, and there you go, that's my maximum zoom in. I can zoom out, and that's my maximum zoom out. Okay, great. Everything's working right. Now let's apply the same logic to the mouse wheel. In order to access the mouse wheel, we're going to use input.mousescrollDelta. So in here, before we validate our values, let's test if input.mousescrollDelta, which is actually a vector 2, but our mouse wheel is only moving vertically. So we're going to use the y. If the y is bigger than 0, then we are going to zoom in, and if it is less than 0, then we are going to zoom out. And since this will execute less times than our get key, which is called every frame, whereas this one is only called when we're actually moving our wheel, let's make the zoom change amount a bit more intense. So let's multiply it by 10 and see how it is. I can zoom in and zoom out. All right, there you have it. Very simple to add mouse wheel zoom. As always, you can download the project files and utilities for free from unitycodemonkey.com. If you have any questions, post them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Okay, see you next time.